As you already know, my Evernote is set to open every time I start my computer, and it starts at home, where I have a group of widgets that make my day pretty easy to navigate. However, we have to always remember that those widgets are nothing but a picture made of our notes and other information we have in Evernote. So today I thought of showing you something different, how sometimes my projects start in a pretty disorganized way, and as I go, I start organizing them, putting things where they are supposed to be in my Evernote. Some weeks ago, I started discussing a future interview here for the channel, and of course, I created a note. That note was created in my collaborations notebook. That note has the calendar appointment. That note has my notes I took during the meeting and also some tasks. One of them was to start working on the questions. The final touch was adding the WIP, work in progress, tag to that note. This will make that note appear in my work in progress widget, and it will bring me awareness that that project is still going on, is still in progress. Every time I turn on my computer, every time I look at home, I'll see that note there. One of the tasks was to work on the questions. But I'm not a reporter. I'm trying to have a good conversation with the other person. I'm looking to entertain you with that conversation. So I always share the questions, the main questions. It's more of a broad idea of what we are talking about. I share it with the other person. And since I have my own notes on that note, the meeting note, I cannot share that note. I cannot use that note for the questions. So I created a new note for those questions. Years ago, Evernote didn't have that share option. You couldn't click there and see the notes you shared with someone. So back then, I created this notebook that I titled Shared. And that's where I created the note that I shared with the other person. I don't actually need the notebook anymore, but it's already there, and I've been doing it like this for so many years. I have so many shared notes there. Anyway, now I have two notes. One is my meeting notes, and the other one is the shared note. And just to try the real-time editing feature, when I share that note, I shared with the editing on, so that person will be able to edit, and let's see how that goes. I'll let you know in the future. And at my meeting note, I created a link pointing to the shared note. Remember, the meeting note is the one with the WIP tag. So that's the one that I will see on home. I could change the WIP tag to the other note. Sometimes I do it. So I'm just trying to show you how I don't have a very rigid set of rules. There are things that I need that help me, that guide me through my days. Having the WIP tag in one or another would work, but in this case, I still have some other tasks on the note I took my meeting notes. So that's why that's the one with the WIP tag, and I don't want to have the WIP tag on both. It's gonna mess up. It's gonna clutter my my widget. For now, that's the one with the WIP tag. Remember that for now, okay? Let's move on. The last step is a note in my YouTube notebook. The third notebook, okay? This note is the script, is the project itself. It has a lot of information there. For example, this video has one of these notes. I have everything that I have to do, have to remember to create the video. So this one in special has a lot of links. First, it has a link to the questions, the shared note. It has a link to my meeting notes because I may need to check one or the other. It has some tasks, and I even moved some tasks from that meeting note to this video script note. And remember, this is not just a script. There are other information, other things that I have to do before the interview. And it has two appointments. One is a time I blocked to work on everything I need to work to have everything done before the interview, rehearsals, tasks, whatever, everything I need, check the camera and everything, it's all there. Below that, I have another calendar entry. This one is the interview date, and below it, I have, for example, a link to the questions, the note that I shared with the other person. And now that this note has everything I need to work on the project, I removed the whip tag from the meeting note and added a whip tag on this note. So now this is the one that I see on my work in progress widget on Home. Things don't always fit into the same little boxes, and that's why so many people struggle with productivity methods. They seem not to work in real life. And what I'm trying to do here is just take advantage of basic things, the calendar, tasks, and the fact that all of this automatically shows on my Evernote Home. I have the calendar widget on top of everything, and I keep an eye on the time passing. I can see what's coming next. Below that, my tasks widget showing me the upcoming tasks. So just these two widgets, they help me understand what I have to do today, what are the next things that are coming. It's fast, it's easy, it's there. And below those widgets, I have a set of widgets that are filtered notes widget. I changed that many times here in the channel. There are videos that you can watch. I'll keep publishing new ones because I think Home has to work for each one of us. So I'll keep tweaking it. So below that, one of the widgets is the WIP, the work in progress widget. And again, I just look at Home and everything is there. Going back to the interview example, first there are some tasks that will come up. There are easier tasks that I can do in between appointments, but soon enough, the day to work on everything, to have everything ready for the interview will come, and I'll see that day on my calendar. I blocked a couple of hours to work on that. I can click there to go to that node, and I have everything I need to work inside that node. The tasks, the interview questions, and everything else that I have to do to prepare myself for that interview. And I do this for all my projects. It's not just for the videos. You have already seen my client's notebook. It works in the same way. I have tasks inside those notes. I have notes. I have the whip tag on the client's main note. Everything I do has one single reason. I have to see all of that on Evernote Home. I have to have a space that makes my day easy to navigate. I hope you liked this one. It was a little different. If you enjoy it, if it was helpful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you want to help even more, please consider joining my Patreon. Thanks for watching. See you soon.